To begin a new farm, you want an enterprise plan, a plot of land, and startup money. Build all of the elements your farm needs, then begin with a couple of cows. Turn these cows into earnings and, over time, you may also steadily flip your commercial enterprise into a thriving cattle farm. Start with a small farm and a handful of cows at first. Most farmers begin off with 2 to 5 cows. They may additionally now not have the cash or journey to manage more. Focus on getting a few healthful cows, then turning them into earnings so you are in a position to have enough money more. Sell your merchandise at a nearby stage to get started. Keeping solely a few cows skill your land won't be overwhelmed. Cows take up a lot of houses and can also devour pastures to smash if you aren't careful. If you have the cash and experience, beginning with a complete herd is possible, however, be careful. Make positive you have barn and pasture space. Choose red meat ranching for a lower maintenance cattle farm. A pork farm is plenty extra bendy than a dairy farm. Cattle ranchers promote cows as soon as or twice a year, commonly in the fall. They spend the relaxation of the time tending to their herd, making sure that the cows develop robust and muscular. Beef ranchers have a tendency to be counted on public lands or exact pastures. To have a healthful herd, you want lots of land space. The cows roam around and forage a lot. The overhead value to begin up is comparatively low except buying land. You might also no longer be in a position to discover top grasslands in some areas, while the pork market may also be aggressive in others. Start a dairy farm for an extra intensive however consistent product. Dairy farmers want to be very diligent to make sure their cows produce as plenty of milk as possible. Dairy cows require a precise weight loss program crammed with nutrients, which makes them dearer to raise. They have to be fed and milked at the identical time each and every day, however, the end result is that precise cows produce milk 12 months round. The startup fees are increased in dairy farming than red meat farming. Dairy farms want more equipment, such as stanchions and milking machines. The cows require excellent hay. To get the cows to produce milk, you may additionally want to maintain a bull around. Bulls are a little trickier to cope with safely. If you don't desire bulls, use synthetic insemination, then sell male calves for greater profit. Raise calves for a special farm that might also fill a nearby need. Calving farms are useful, however, most farmers don't apprehend the possibility to promote calves. It is really comparable to dairy farming, besides the want for milking equipment. You increase the calves both as veal or promote them to different people, from different farmers to exhibit golf equipment like 4-H. You want a separate calving barn and additionally have to think about maintaining a bull or the usage of synthetic insemination. Calves are rapid income due to the fact you don't want to wait for them to develop up. Don't promote all of your calves, though. Keep a few for your farm. Aim on having lots of pasture area for your cows to roam. Each cow desires about 1.5 to 2 acres (0.61 to 0.81 hectares) of pasture house per cow-calf pair. This quantity of house offers sufficient roughage for a year. Most farmers are capable to preserve more than 1 cows on a single pasture if they're careful. If you go away too many cows in a pasture, they consume all of the grass. To forestall this, farmers rotate the cows to unique fields. As lengthy as you're cautious no longer to stress your resources, your fields will proceed to produce roughage. Thank you for watching this video. You're welcome to share, comment, subscribe this channel if you wish. Thank you.